What's up, Slingshot owners? Brandon here with SlingMods.com, and today we have our engine covers for the 2020 newer Polaris Slingshot. If you're looking to spice up the engine bay of your 2020 newer Polaris Slingshot, then we've got something just for you. Introducing our Powder Coated Thermal R&D engine covers. These covers are available in a few different colors to match your Slingshot's color profile and include all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation, including 4 custom machined steel risers to mount up to your factory valve cover, 2 carbon fiber struts to dampen vibration while adding that race-inspired look, and to top it all off, 4 black knurled thumb screws to hold the engine cover firmly in place. Now today I'm going to walk you through the installation on one of our shop 2020 Slingshot R models, so let's get started. Start by opening your hood. Then use a T40 Torx to unscrew and remove these 4 valve cover fasteners one at a time, making sure not to pull the rubber bushing out. And then replace them with the new extended valve cover fasteners, tightening them by hand, before going through and torquing down to your manufacturer's recommended torque specs. Now in our 2020 Slingshot R model, the service manual states that the valve cover fasteners should be torqued down to 89 inch-pounds. Now this may vary depending on models and years, so make sure you look up your specific torque specs before tightening them down. And then repeat these steps for the other 3 valve cover fasteners. Then, once you get all the risers installed, you can place the engine cover on top, lining up the holes on the risers with the holes on the cover, and insert the knurled thumb screws with washers, tightening them down so that they're nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. And then finally, you can slide the hose coming out the side next to the firewall into the white plastic holder attached to the engine cover. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if you'd like to take your Slingshot engine bay from this to this, then be sure to head on over to SlingMods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab an engine cover for your 2020 newer Polaris Slingshot. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.